Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is LucidChart. So in this video we are going to make a tutorial on LucidChart for beginners in 2025. In this video I will show you how to create professional diagrams like flowchart, ORG chart, mind maps, and many more. LucidChart is perfect for students, teams, and businesses. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first step, we just need to be sign up for a new account. So that for reason, you just need to visit on lucidchart.com and then click this sign up free options, or you can continue with this options like sign in with Google, sign in with Microsoft or Slack. So here I am going to choose this Google one because this is the simplest way to create an account. So I'll click over here, sign in. Once I did, then I will just select my Google account here, and here I already have an account. That's why I redirect to the dashboard. So now let's give you a dashboard overview for you guys. So once inside, you will land on the LucidChart dashboard. Here you will find recent documents, templates folder for organizing files. You can create new document button in here. So now let's try to create a new document. You just need to be click this new button or plus icon. Once you did, then you can choose, like here you just need to be choose any of them, like you can create from the template, or you can choose blank like document, whatever you want. It's totally up to you. The LucidChart editor will open. The interface overview, let me give you this one. So I will create from the template, so I will click this one, and from that place I will select any of them if I want. So I will go with the flowchart. Let's say I'm going to use this one, or here you can see the flowchart, it is popular. So here I will click this one, or I can say this one is quite good. So let's click use template. Once I did, then it will take a couple of minutes and then it would redirect us to a new tab. So here you can see. So now let's give you an whole interface overview. So into the left panel, you can see there is a shape, libraries, flowchart, ORG chart, etc. available. And into the second, like top bar, you will get to see undo, redo, zoom, sharing, file options here. And into the right panel, you will get formatting tools like color, size. Like here, let's say I'm select this one, and into the right corner you will able to see this kind of things here. So now we are going to drawing a basic flowchart. So you just need to drag a chart and shape from the shape panel. Let's say we are going to create a new shape in here. So I am going to place that in that place. So similar with this one. So here from that place, you just need to be drag and start an end shape from the shape panel. So here you can see this is the shape panel, decision, terminator, then many more. So here you can see a couple of more things in here. So I am going to drag and this process one. So I will place it this place, and I can increase the size or decrease the size. Is totally up to me. Then you can add process box, decision diamond, and many more. Is totally up to you. So I'm going to add a line in here, and then I will use this decision one in that place. Then similarly you just need to be use one by one for your uses. So here you can use the terminator. So I'm going to use the terminator in here, or you can delete this one. You just need to be use the arrow first, then you can use this one. Like here you can see it already been done in here. I will place it properly. Here you can see it, and then it looks really simple and really easy for you guys. So I hope you understand how easy to drawing a basic flowchart. You can connect shapes using arrows, hover over shapes. You can drag arrows, then double click on shapes to add text. Like here I'm going to add double any text. So here I'm going to add my name. You can add similarly anything in here. You just need to be double tap or double click. Then you can rearrange and align shapes easily using shaping and grid lines. Then you can use Ctrl plus C to duplicate items. Like let's say I'm going to copy this one, Ctrl plus C, then I'm going to duplicate this one, Ctrl plus B, and it already been duplicated. So in this way you can do such a things here, and I'm going to place this one here, and you can see that this way you can do editing with the arrow. Now let's talk about customize your diagram. So basically you just need to select a shape to format it. Let's say I'm going to select this one and use the right sidebar tool to change fill color, adjust borderline, and use text style. Like here you will get to see all of this, like template gallery, then containers, then themes here, then conditional formatting, images, and many things. So you can change fill color, you can adjust borderline, you can set text style, use the layers tools to organize complex diagrams. You can add images, icons, or links from the top toolbar. For cleaner layout, you can use arrange, align, and distribute. So now let's talk about the collaborations and comments. So you just need to be click the share icon in here. You just need to be click over here into the top right corner, and then you can add collaborators by email or link. You can set permissions, then view, comment, or edit. Then you can use comments to leave notes or ask questions on specific elements. So real-time collaboration chains are synced instantly. So you can do it these options. Now you can use template and shape libraries. From the dashboard you can explore the template here. Let's say I'm going to these template options. If I click this one, you can add this template. Let's say I'm going to use this one, it will become over that place. So I'm not able to use this one because I already used two template, that's the reason. So you can use shape manager to add more libraries like AWS, GCP, Azure, UML diagrams, and wireframes. It is great for both technical and non-technical users. So now let's export and publish our flowchart. So that's the reason when you are done, you just need to click the file and download as. You just need to choose your format. It could be PDF, PNG, JPG, CSV as busy. So here you just need to click on file, and then you will find out these export options, and then you just need to choose your desired thing. You can export it as CSV also. So you can also publish to web or embedded a website, also integrate with tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Confluence, Slack, whatever. That kind of options available in here. So now let's talk about the LucidChart tips and shortcut for you. So always use Ctrl plus D to quickly duplicate shapes, and right click for the context menu, add shape, comment, and change layer. And always use Ctrl Shift plus arrow keys to nudge shapes faster. And then you can add data linking to pull live data into diagrams. This is the premium feature, but when you are using premium one, then you can apply this method. Then you can use presentation mode to walk through your diagram slide by slide. And mobile and tablet apps available, great for viewing on the go. And that's your beginner guide on using LucidChart in 2025.